my name is Manawaziullah. Welcome to the virtual tool. I was born and raised in Saudi Arabia, but I'm originally from Bangladesh. So I always wanted to study abroad, and I enjoyed experiencing two distinct culture. And Canada has been earned like a reputation for welcoming people of many culture from all over the world. I applied for an 8-month course at Centennial called Arts and Design Fundamental. I learned about myself, my weak and strong points through that program. And I knew a lot of new arts and design stuffs that I didn't know existed. And from that 8-month course, it led me to graphic designing, which I am current student of. I'm a second year student. Amazing professors. I can promise you that they're the most supportive people you will ever meet.
Hi, everyone. I'm Claudia Archibald. I'm from Colombia in South America. Canada is a country that offers many opportunities. As a student, we have to take advantage of them. Also, if you want to have a balance in work and study, I think Toronto is the right place. I decided this city because it offers a lot of opportunities in different fields. My program is a business program. I study business, supply chain, and operation. This program offers many advantages in the field. I have a lot of job opportunities available. For example, I'm working right now with FedEx Express company as a cargo handler in the warehouse. But I'm very happy because I'm practice my English, working in a multicultural environment, and also having benefits with the company.
Yeah, my name is Elizabeth Adamoda. I'm from Nigeria. I chose Canada for just two reasons, basically, which is diversity and opportunity. A lot of cultures converge in Canada. So I came here as a student to properly enjoy and immerse myself in that group of cultures. And I wasn't disappointed by choosing Centennial. My program is specifically project management. When I came here, my mind was blown. It was like I was thrown into the deep end of the ocean, and I've just been enjoying soaking up all the knowledge that has been given in class, giving all the articles that we've had to read, the assignments we've had to do. Like, we've been totally immersed in the inner workings of project management that I did not even know about. So I've been really thankful for that opportunity, to be able to get firsthand knowledge, practical knowledge of what it means to be a project manager in Canada. I encourage everyone who would like to come to Canada to really do your research. When you're looking at the vast majority of courses or programs, it's not don't just look for what interests you. Look for what you can utilize in the work field. Like, anything you're doing shouldn't just be for theory. It should be something that you could use when you're thinking of working, when you're thinking of getting a job. Your field should be versatile enough to give you an opportunity to apply to different positions in different companies. So don't restrict yourself by saying, oh, this is what I did in my undergrad. You should try and stretch yourself out. Don't limit your options. And also, when you finally arrive in Canada, which we hope you will, don't be shy, don't be reserved. Don't keep to yourself. Try and be out there. There are a lot of opportunities. There are a lot of events, clubs.
Hi everyone. My name is Mayank Thakur. I'm a fourth-year student of Software Engineering, Technology, Artificial Intelligence. Being in Canada is one of the great experiences I ever had in my life. Talking about my course, I guess this course has started to fulfill my satisfaction for the artificial intelligence. And with that, I've been gaining a lot of knowledge about my field, the software engineering. I would say one important thing is to make friends. A very good platform to make friends are the clubs from the CCSI. I got to know about the mentorship program. I became the mentor in the first e-protege in the first semester. In the second semester, I became the e-mentor. In the third semester, I got a chance to become the student ambassador. So by becoming a part of different clubs, you can grow yourself in Centennial College. You can grow your leadership skills. I would say that I have a co-op program So how the optional co-op work is, if you meet the criteria, you are transferred to the regular course, to the co-op program of your course, and you find a co-op job. If you're able to find a job for the next semester, you stay in the co-op and you complete the 2 or 3 co-op terms depending on your course. We have co-op advisors assigned to each and every students, and we have the higher Centennial that helps you to find a jobs. You have almost thousands of jobs available to apply for. You just need to apply and get one.